Hi friends, I got here one problem. I have changed pickups very often and my bone nut is little bit sanded with strings and I have to fix it. I know a best way to fix this problem with bone nut. This is material for dentist. So I got some tools from dentist that I use very often for pickups making, and now I have from my friend some materials. They can be solid with such UV lamp. What we have here: universal restorative clear transparent shade, and this is body shade. I can match the color of the bone nut. First of all, I need the primer. Okay, this is white. Yeah, this is right shade. It's a right color. It's like plastic. Okay. Yeah, it's hard. Now you'll see how to quickly fix broken bone nut. Dental materials and UV light. Rock and roll for all.